After 10 days of planting vegetables and herbs, today we are going to take a look at how my corn and my okra is doing. It's been 10 days. So are they coming out? Are they growing? Is anything happening to them? So that's what we are going to take a look at in today's video. And if you are a beginner to gardening or you love having fun gardening, welcome. This channel is all about gardening, sharing tips and knowledge while having fun doing it. So let's dive right in. I'm excited, you know. So let's see. And you can see all my tomatoes. This is the beef steak tomato. We have the pink girl. We have the brand wine tomato. Those are those twos. And then we have the Roma tomato. And those are all doing so well. So that is everything for today. You know, we have seen all our peppers, all our herbs, our vegetables. The corn is doing well, the okra is doing well, the collard greens not so much yet, the peppers, onions, and everything else is doing great. So it's amazing. Every morning I just come and take a look at my plants, and that really just gives me some kind of excitement. I like it, so I just want to share that. And if you want to join this lovely fun community of gardeners and subscribe to the channel, leave any comments for me in the comment section below. And I'm glad to have you here. If you know, it's just fun gardening. I just like nature. I like to see how nature takes care of things, and the same thing applies to our lives every day. We are growing every day, little piece by piece we are growing, even if we don't see it. So that happens to the plant, and it just amazes me. So I like to garden. So thank you for watching, and let me show you what happened next week on our plant, and let's dive right in.